Hey Leo, Dark Eve Tarot here. I'm Eve, and we're going to get you a message. We're going to see what's going on and what you need to know. And I'm going to use some fortune cards here to see what the topic is. Alright, for Leo. Alright, Leo. Alright, we have the tortoise here. It says slowly but surely getting ahead. And the tortoise, though, it's like there is something about like cycles or something with the tortoise. Like 13. Doesn't he have like 13 sections on his shell? Something about like moon phases or something? I don't know. There's more to this tortoise than just slowness. Alright, what else for Leo? There's a chunk. Okay. Ooh, you got V for victory. Alright, so slowly but surely getting ahead, victory, and some endeavor. I feel like those are related. It's like there's something that you're making slow progress on, but it's going to eventually work out. We have the flute, disappointment in a friend or lover. That is not related to this. That's a whole thing by itself. Okay. Bowl, plenty of material things. I don't know about that one. Tent, temporary situation. Oh, good. Okay. So the flute, this disappointment in a friend or lover, temporary situation. I don't know, like a moment, I don't know if it's a relapse or just a moment of, I don't know, indiscretion or something, a bad choice. But it's not a common thing. It's not like something that happens over and over, but the disappointment is real. You know what I mean? And we have here hand, in need of help, assistance, and guidance. That seems separate as well. Okay, so we have this section here. We've got this little disappointment here. And then we have something that you need help with. And I am not sure where this goes. I'm not sure what this applies to. Maybe we have 4 sections. Okay, we can do that. We'll do it like this. You see that? Okay. All right, Leo. So, something that you're making small progress on that will be successful. We've got a temporary disappointment, something you need help with, and something about plenty of material things. I almost wonder if that has something to do with the holidays. Oh, nice. Oh, nice. So you have like the universe, the world card here. So keep doing what you're doing, Leo. Keep taking your baby steps or whatever you're doing. You will, obviously you will be successful here. But the universe, you're kind of getting a helping hand from the universe too. It's like as long as you keep trying, as long as you keep taking steps towards what you want or what you're trying to accomplish, you have help from the universe. That's always good to know. Always good to know. And okay, so Leo, with this temporary disappointment going on with either a friend or a loved one or what have you, the it's going to make you think like you need to make a choice. And because this is temporary, I am kind of feeling that you may not have to make a choice. It's not like it may not be time to make that decision, whatever that is. You know what I mean? Ooh, in need of help, assistance, and guidance. Under that is the Page of Blades. So whatever this is, if this is you, Leo, or if this is someone you're dealing with, if they someone who gives off these vibes that they need help, um, I feel like you, specifically with the Page of Blades, I feel like you are going to be able to give them guidance. I don't know about. I mean, I don't know what kind of assistance they need, but I wanna say guidance is what you're able to give them, which is the most helpful thing. It's like the page, it's like that. It's like you're willing to listen. You're willing to investigate it. It's like it for some it seems somehow it seems worth your while here, Leo. And I'm not telling you it's worth your while. I'm saying that that's what it's gonna feel. It's like it'll kind of feel like that. Like you'll know this, you'll know who this is when you encounter this situation. You'll just feel like you'll be able to, like you feel like you should investigate or you should give some advice or you know what I mean. Like you'll just kind of feel this. I mean, obviously do whatever you want, but like that's kind of what it's gonna feel like. So this bowl, this plenty of material things. What is that about? The Wheel of Fortune. Huh. Well, no wonder. Okay, so we have the Wheel of Fortune, which means it's like there could be something, fate, destiny related to it. But look, they've got a blindfold on. You're not supposed to know. I'm not supposed to know either. Not supposed to really know what this is about. I mean, I kind of feel like it's just something to look forward to. Like, what's that? Or, you know what I mean? There's something more in store for you with this here. But I want to say that this is more important. This feels futury, like futury, right? All right. So let's shuffle again a little bit more. We're gonna go one more level deep into the message. Yeah, we've got time. We got time. All right, for Leo. Ten of coins. How about them apples? Oh my gosh. Ten of coins. That's awesome, Leo. I don't know that we can get more confirmation that you will be victorious with whatever you're working on as long as you keep taking steps. I mean, you have the Ten of Coins. That's like, your legacy. It's having all the stuffs, and that's funny because that's kind of what this bowl is talking about too. And this is in the future energy, like this is your future, and it's all cozy and shit. It's like you got the puppy, you got the fire, yeah, you got all the cool stuff. I mean, there's this real sense of security here too, because it's not all fancy and showy offy. It's just like it's a sense of security. It feels warm and feels good. Okay. All right. So this temporary disappointment with a friend. Okay. So it definitely feels it definitely feels like a male female interaction here. And I don't know if it's mother son or if it's just boy girl stuff. I don't know. But I want to say that there is some kind of, with this Queen of Cups, there is some kind of forgiveness. It's like either the Queen of Cups is forgiving No, she's asking for forgiveness or she is offering up like an apology or something. I don't know. I'm not saying that the Queen of Cups or the she is the one that did something because this is a general reading, so I'm just going to say here that there are two people. They could be friends, they could be more than friends. One person disappoints the other. It's a temporary situation and an apology is offered and it's your choice to accept it, you know? All right. Oh my gosh, Ten of Blades. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Okay, Leo. So this situation going on here, this person that you are gonna kind of suss out that they need a little help with something. You do have guidance to offer them, and this is just confirming that they need a lot of help. I mean, I want to say that there is a slight chance that they are blowing their stuff out of proportion a little bit because this seems super extreme with this, like stranded on the beach and like they might be exaggerating their story a little bit, but it doesn't matter. They need help. They do need help. They do need a hand. And quite possibly how you can help them is just maybe shining a little light on the situation to let them know that, hey man, it may not be as bad as you think it is. Here's here's a different perspective or here's something you can think about or something like that. All right. So we have this is your future, Leo. Your future that is related to this 10 of coins. Wow, justice. This is like things really coming together for you. This is just things coming really coming together and that's interesting because it's so different than the last reading I did. Was it Aquarius? Because Aquarius, they really needed to bring some shit into balance, like in a bad way. And you're ending up with balance. So I don't know if you know any Aquarius, but Leo, when you get through all of this and you start getting some of that abundance that comes in your future, you might show Aquarius how you did it. Or give them some advice. Shit, maybe that's Aquarius. I don't know. I don't know. This is pretty cool though. You're doing good stuff. All right, Leo, this is your message and if it resonates, awesome. If it doesn't resonate, only take what makes sense to you and I will see you later. Bye, Leo.